Hey there, I'm back again with another how-to. Today we're going to talk about the digital rear view mirror. So what is a digital rear view mirror? Well, I'm glad you asked. Right here, this is your normal view on the rear view mirror, and this is your digital rear view mirror. Here, as you can see, this gives you a camera view directly right out of the back window. Here we're going to look at your camera view adjustments. A little simple push of the button there. As you can see, it gives you your different adjustments. If we move it over left or right, you can see as it fades for the brightness. And then when you push the button again, it's going to move over for up or down, so you can adjust your up and down. And again, left or right. And then also tilt and magnification. And this is for your dimmer switch. So right now it's turned on, which just means if a vehicle behind you has their brights on or the lights are too bright, it will automatically dim your mirror for you. Over on this side, you got 1 button, 2 button, and 3 buttons indicated by 1, 2, and 3. And those are for your garage doors. So if you have a house with 1, 2, or 3 garage doors, you can program these so you can open each door separately. Door 3. This first button here is to bring you into the settings. There you go, another how-to. If you have any questions about this, please give me a call. Ken Howard at Manhattan Beach Toyota.